Hey there, beautiful people. So this is the style that I use with the sponge. And some of you are wondering, how can I preserve this style? Do I have to style my hair every day? In this video, I'm going to be showing you what to do next day in order to refresh curls. If you want to refresh your curls, there are some simple things that I do to keep it looking good. So if you're interested in that video, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is the next day. In order to refresh your curls, you can use a hair mist like mine, or you can use plain old water. In this bottle, you have water, glycerin as a humectant to attract the moisture from the environment, especially because your hair is exposed to the environment. You need to have the glycerin. It has a herbal oil to protect the strands as well as to lock and seal in the moisture so that the moisture does not evaporate too quickly because your hair is exposed to the elements. If you're wondering, this style will last you 4 to 5 days. That's how long I do that. The only downside to this style is that you have to revive the curls every day. If you're still watching, let me know in the comments where you're tuning in from. Right now, I'm giving a shout out to Diane Daniels 2779 from Savannah and Yvette Williams from Florida. Thanks for supporting the channel, guys. Then what you want to do is try to mold the hair back into place by swirling your hands on the curls to revive or to refresh them. If you're not pleased with the results, you can use a curl sponge to help you finish off the look. Please remember to like the video. It really helps me out a lot. Ta-da! And just like that, we've got ourselves refreshed curls. Remember to subscribe to the Hair Obsessed Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for joining me on this journey, beauties. Until next time, remember to stay classy, stay curly, and hair obsessed. Adios.